Welcome. Today, we will be discussing wire specifications and applications. In this video, we'll be exploring how wire plays a crucial role in various industries and applications, as well as the specifications needed for many of those applications. Wire is used in all kinds of applications, both common and uncommon, each with different specifications. Whether you're in aerospace, construction, medical, or manufacturing, our wire solutions have you covered. Wire specifications are the detailed requirements and characteristics of wire, often outlined in technical documents or standards. These specifications provide information about various aspects of the wire's construction and performance, ensuring that it meets your application's needs. Wire specifications are a critical part of the engineering and design processes, ensuring safety and reliability within the intended application. At Gerard Daniel, we offer a wide array of wire specifications fit for a large variety of applications, from ASTM A580 and ASTM A582 to AMS 5699 and QQN 281. Keep in mind that additional specifications are available on request. If you aren't sure what kind of wire you need, get in touch today and our experienced engineers will be happy to guide you through the selection process. At Gerard Daniel, our domestically drawn and imported wire comes in various sizes, alloys, shapes, and packaging solutions to ensure the perfect fit for your application. Blanket orders, stock programs, and just-in-time deliveries are available to keep your production line running smoothly. Once your wire is ready, we'll deliver it to your production line exactly how you want it. And select customers can gain access to our exclusive Continuous Replenishment Service program, or CRS, to ensure they never run out of wire. This service provides a predetermined inventory level that you can use and pull from on-site as needed. Plus, you don't have to invest financially until the product is consumed. Our wire is used in all kinds of applications. A few of our more common types of wire used are safety lock wire, tie wire, spring wire, and shaped wire. Safety locked wire is used in a wide variety of applications where failure cannot occur, such as mission-critical flight controls, throttle assemblies, or safety guard. Tie wire is used in the construction and insulation industry. Gerard Daniel's annealing process continuously produces a soft but strong wire, giving it the flexibility that's necessary for quick tying and the strength to hold. Spring wire is specifically manufactured for the production of springs. It's generally made from high-quality stainless steel or nickel alloys, with excellent elasticity, strength, and durability. This allows the wire to withstand repeated bending and stretching without permanent deformation. Spring wire is used across the automotive, firearm, and irrigation industries. Shaped wire is manufactured into a hex or square shape to meet specific functional or aesthetic requirements. While traditional wire is round, shaped wire is intentionally designed and formed into unique shapes to offer versatility, functionality, and design flexibility. Many industries use shaped wire, including automotive, aerospace, electronics, construction, and manufacturing. You can incorporate shaped wire into various applications, including springs, key raises, electrical contacts, medical devices, and automotive components. There are many more applications and specifications for wire. To find out more about stock wire, custom wire, or additional specifications or applications, please visit our website. In today's discussion, we've briefly explored wire specifications and their applications. Wire is a versatile and essential component that's used in applications for various industries. When you need quality wire for your application, count on the experts at Gerard Daniel to help you find exactly what you need. At Gerard Daniel, we've been sourcing, drawing, and distributing wire for over 50 years. Our applications engineers are ready to collaborate with your teams to develop the most effective solutions for your specific needs. Reach out to us today to learn more about our products, capabilities, and customizable solutions.